Hi. Why?
Come on.
Because you look over me? Yeah?
No. Do you know what?
What?
Okay. Good morning, guys
And girls.
and girls.
Obviously.
The beginning of the second day. This is how our morning looks like.
Actually,
Just-
it's already today. It's already 12.
You don't have to tell them.
Okay.
Okay, they heard it. So it's kind of afternoon because we woke up late, and this is how it looks outside. Really beautiful. Really beautiful. And this is how it looks inside. Also really beautiful. Say hi. You know, since it was my first day meeting with everybody, we got experience and everyone. It was amazing. They are the cutest people on this planet. Wow. Am I lucky? Hell yeah. And the most beautiful person on this planet is cooking me food. Look at her. Look
Babe,
at
it's gonna
her.
be salad.
Look at her.
Don't look at me.
Oh, thank you for this beautiful brunch.
Brunch?
Yeah, because we didn't have breakfast, and it's kind of lunch plus breakfast.
It's gonna be a little breakfast.
Yeah, we call it brunch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's it. Beginning of the second day. It's a little late, but we slept in a lot.
Yummy?
Yeah, this is what she always does. Like, she keeps putting stuffs in my mouth, like that monkey in the Chinese video, you know?
来，你来吞，
No,
你来吞，
see?
来吞，
No,
来吞，
no, no,
来吞，
no.
来吞，来吞。
Yesterday she fed me like 1,000 raspberries. If I don't know, am I covering the mic? Or I don't know how my audio is.
Just check.
I think I kind of got a hang of how to like talk to people when you just start talking to the camera. Initially it's really hard to start, but once you start you just
You can't stop.
no, it's not can't stop. It's like words keep coming to your mouth. You know, you just have something or the other to say. The weather is so beautiful. It's not cold. It's not hot. It's just.
Oh, you should look at this. This is kindergarten. This pink
Where?
building.
Oh.
There.
Okay, let me see. Can I zoom it? Where?
Pink.
This one?
Right. More right.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
See how beautiful.
This is my kindergarten where I went though.
Okay, this is where. No, I shouldn't tell them. They should know more. What if they come here?
So what?
This is some place in Germany. Yeah. So guys, she's currently in Germany and this is where she studied. I'm joking. This is what we're gonna eat. What is this?
Some vegetables with chicken inside.
Vegetables with chicken inside. Also vegetables with chicken inside. Some tomato salad.
And
tea,
salad.
cucumber. So what were we doing? We were making some salad. Now I'm gonna help Vika. I already showed you the food. I'm gonna mix.
Little meat.
What is it? Yeah, we need to mix this salad with I don't know what is that.
Which my parents make.
Ah, meat. Yeah,
We're gonna eat little.
we're gonna eat little.
So the food is ready.
look at the tomatoes we have.
This is my uncle bring.
Yeah, our uncle brought this.
Ta-da.
For breakfast, some lettuce, parsley.
Onion and parsley.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Some salads.
Can I ask you to bring me water? A red cup? Do you need water?
Mm-hmm.
See. You can open that. And now, will be cup, which you like. You can bring.
Oh, I can take your cup. I think this is yours.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, it's good.
Cheers.
Cheers on the water.
We can create another YouTube channel and just put our mukbang that we're just eating all the time. This is meat. This is my dad made. Shashlik. You know, I wanna go live. I wanna share a story.
Honestly, we
Pictures
still have
together.
time.
I think 9 minutes it's more than enough.
We just had breakfast and this is what's left.
And of
And-
course I put salad and fish.
Vika washed all the dishes. We tried corn as well. Corn.
It's not.
And there's something interesting I can show you. See? India. Why do you have it here?
So I gave it to my aunt.
Now what's the plan? We're gonna go out and do something. We are full. Tummies are full. Yeah.
We'll get ready and then we'll leave. And we'll go to say this park. When you can go to this big circle.
Center. I don't know. Whatever. Let's see. Oh, she did my laundry. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is my jacket. Now she's drying. It's beautiful inside and outside. You tired? Do you need help? Yeah. Sure.
It's your shirt.
It's my t-shirt.
Oh, see? Keep.
Yeah, we need to use brush on that.
Huh?
Yeah, brush. Like,
Let it dry and then we'll dry. I will wash it again. Move.
look at the crows.
It's not crows. It's crows.
Vika told me she got tanned.
This much. See? Show. Our hands show.
Yeah, she got tanned for real.
Hey. Oh, yeah.
It's funny.
Why?
You'll never get tanned
Hey, why?
when we are together. Because you'll never be tanned. You'll never feel tanned.
Why?
Come
Why?
You'll never feel tanned.
Why? It's your socks.
I don't know why. You'll never feel tanned because, come on.
Come on, what? Come on. Come
You
on.
always-
Can you explain? No?
You always think that, oh, it's not enough.
Compared to you. Oh, you can wear it.
What?
You.
I ironed this. I ironed this headband, and it became so long. Like, yeah, it became really long, and my mom was laughing at me, and then she cut this hairband and stitched it again.
I see.
Yeah, and now it's...
We can buy a new one.
Wow, I look like Vision from Marvel, like with stone on the head. Come on, it should be on this.
You look like pigeon.
I look like Onion with... Don't mind my hair, I was wearing hairband. So, I need to show you something interesting. I asked Vika what this is, and she said it's not a phone. What is it? It's...
It's like when you're calling to flat.
Come here first.
Yeah. When you're calling to flat,
Mm-hmm.
this you'll get call, and you can open main door of the house.
They didn't understand. Okay. So what he's saying is, when you there's like a gate, for this apartment, and you need to enter a passcode. Yeah, passcode first.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah. So once they enter the passcode, no, what do they do first?
They
How do they get the call?
they should know my flat number of my flat. They put number of my flat and waiting call.
Yeah. So they enter the flat number, and she'll get a call on this, and once he picks up and talks to this person and knows, oh, it's Nick, or it's my dad, my mom, then she'll click on this button, and the door unlocks and the person can enter. It's so cool, but we don't have it in India, I guess, or at least I've never seen or used it. It's really cool. Hi again. This is Mom of Rats.
Mom of rats.
Yeah.
Sounds cool.
Mother of rats. Right? And here's the rats. Ta-da. She fed them so much, they became so fat.
Do you want to give them some food?
Yeah.
It's diet and not just.
I don't want to hold them though.
Understood. See?
Oh, how fast do they eat that? When they were small, they were like taking a lot of time to eat. Now they just like...
It's just like really good snacks for them. This is what they really like. Oh no, don't fall. See how badly she wanted. That's it enough.
No.